Hi, this is Carla Cross. I want to invite you to something that's very, very different. Not your same old boring clock hours. This is if you ever have to get in front of 2 or more people, up to thousands. Now, maybe you've thought about being a presenter, a trainer, or facilitator, but you've gone to those events and you were, quite frankly, bored to tears because all the person up in front of you did was talk, talk, talk. Yeah, maybe they were an expert, but today, talking just can't keep your attention. So you're thinking, if I want to do this, how can I not be boring? Well, in Instructor Development Workshop, coming up July 12th and 14th, I'm going to teach you very creative, easy to do training techniques so that you won't always just be up there yapping. So I'm going to help you take what you've got right now, any course that you're going to teach or not, and know how to put in different kind of training techniques that work in certain situations. So never again will you be teaching a boring one-way course. And in addition, I have some wonderful ways to ban that nervousness forever and what I like to call controlling your audience. People tell me a lot, oh, I can't keep their attention. Well, first of all, when I show you these training techniques and we all practice them together so that you learn to do them really, really well and with confidence, you will not have near as much trouble with controlling audiences. But I'll show you 5 or 6 methods of keeping your whole class with you all the time and really attentive. So please join me July 12th and 14th in Bellevue.